This video is number 14 of the conservation framing course and shows the articles used throughout the course. Mount boards. In video number 2, Rinaldin explains what the pH scale is and what properties the bevel cartons which are used in the conservation framing need. Rinaldin provides a wide range of mount boards suitable for conservation framing. In more detail, the RegMat mount board is made of 100% cotton by Crescent, and the museum mount boards by Crescent and by Moorman. The Lineco adhesive tapes. This is the rubber fabric tape soaked with an acid-free adhesive which becomes active when it becomes wet. It's used to fix mount boards and heavy paper boards to each other in cases when it's preferred to use a fabric tape instead of a paper tape. In video number 2, it was used to set the mount boards and the support to each other. This is the Japanese paper tape Hayaku hinging paper. It's a soft tape soaked in adhesive which is activated by wetting it with water. It's mostly needed to fix the print to the support. The document repair tape, which is used mainly for repairing documents and pages of ancient books. Rubber tape or paper hinging tape, which is mostly needed to set the print to the support. This tape, available in 2 different widths, is made up of an aluminium blade covered by a protective paper cover on the inside and from a grey paper on the outside. It's used mainly to seal the internal part of the frame so as to avoid gas elements from exciting the wood of the frame. This is a black spongy adhesive tape which is mostly used to line the rebate of the frame. It also proves a protection from dust. The Filmoplast adhesive tapes. The main characteristics of the Filmoplast tapes are that the adhesive is acid-free and is reversible, which means that there's possibility of removing the tape by wetting it with water. Using Filmoplast is advisable also for normal non-conservation framing. This is the fabric Filmoplast, suitable for fixing heavy frames to the support of the mount board. The mounting corners and the semi-adhesive strips. These are the mounting corners produced by Lineco and are called mounting corners. They are needed to fix the print to the support without using adhesive tapes. This is another type of mounting corners. It is an analog system of supporting the print without using any adhesive tapes. It's made up of the semi-adhesive strips, which you can see. Let's see the video again, which explains its use. The glue and stickers. This is the starch powder glue. Its characteristic is that it's reversible, which means that it can be removed by wetting it with water. This is a sticker which is acid-free. It's based on polyvinyl acetate. It's transparent after it has been dried and it is reversible if wetted with water. Paper with a neutral pH. It can be used for various stages of the conservation framing. In video 6 it was used to make the paper bowl that protects the print and fixes it to the support without the use of adhesive tapes. Museum glass. Video number 10 talks about the museum glass. Rinaldin provides the museum glass produced by the American manufacturer TrueView. The museum glass is available in 3 versions with different characteristics, which can be seen in this table. Cartons for the back of the frame. Video 12 shows how to close a frame on the back. The carton curvature is particularly apt for this use. Accessory articles. The bone is used to accentuate the folds of the paper and was used various times throughout the video. Also, the weight of the glass was used various times by Rinaldin during the video. The testing pen is a pen which is needed to determine the acidity of paper and carton. Trace a line on the material. If the pH of the material is higher than 6,8, the mark will become purple. If it's below, then it will be more on the yellow side. This is a granulated rubber buffer. It's used to clean the prints. The pad has to be slightly wrung and then rolled around the print. At the ends you have to dust it with a brush. This is the beginner's conservation framing kit. The following items are included: a 55-gram tube of starch glue, a roll of fabric adhesive tape to fix mount board, sufficient rice paper tape for about 75 prints. Cotton gloves are advised during conservation framing, especially for people who often have sweaty hands. You can find all the necessary products for conservation framing on the website www.rinaldin.com.